no! Oh, sugar. I knew that was going to happen. Put my drink over the floor. I don't know how I'm going to reach here because I'm in a bit of a corner. I can't really stand on this.
How do you put together an IKEA Malm bed? Is it difficult to build? How do the storage drawers work? Hello, I'm Neil and this is my IKEA Dad vlog, and today I'm building this IKEA Malm double bed with storage drawers in matte white, and it's gorgeous. We bought ours online because the IKEA stores in my country were closed because of the whole you know what. So we didn't really know what it looks like, and that's kind of why I'm making this video. If you know the IKEA Kallax shelves like these, it's sort of the same material. I make a few mistakes along the way while putting this up, so you don't have to. And there's time codes in the description if you want to jump forward at any time.
Right, we have the Malfours mattress and the Malm bed. Let's make this happen. There's just a couple of other packages. Problem number one. Ding! So it says I've got to hammer these things, but there's no guidance as to where those things go. I've just realised these things, well, they don't give you guidance of where to hammer them. They're the feet, so it doesn't matter too much how exactly they're going. I've just put them on the edge and in the middle. Problem number two, I think, but you've got to have this in place before you put that in. Yeah, this has taken longer than I thought. So you've got to put the barrel here, you've got to put it in first, like that, so that it sinks down into the groove. Number of times I've scored an IKEA wardrobe or something, a big door, by scratching a screw across it. So I'm going to get these screws out of the way. Ah, no! Oh, sugar. I knew that was going to happen. Put my drink over the floor. That was hard. Right, it's time for the bar, the crossbar along the bottom now. Of course we need the IKEA scissors. Put that on screen. Screwing in these plastic things that stop it moving around, so there's two on either side. So I put the screw through, turn this on by hand. I don't know how I'm going to reach here because I'm in a bit of a corner. I can't really stand on these. My daughter finishes school in about half an hour, so I've really got to pick this up. This is Leroy Slats. He was my favourite character in Fame. Leroy! But is that it? Please tell me that's it. Wasn't he a character in Harry Potter? Malfoy's. It's a Malfoy's mattress. Back with the IKEA scissors. And we knew this, we had to wait 72 hours for it to completely flatten out. It looks nicer than I thought it would, but because we bought on the website, we haven't been able to go in because of the current lockdown that we're under. I'm a little bit disappointed by this lip. I know it's the design of the bed, but that's gonna hit your shins every single time you get into bed. I'm going to lay out these pieces here. Got the instructions. Whoa. We've got wheels. These look nice. Look at that. It's nice, isn't it? So now we're going to put the sides on. The side with the holes on the inside of the drawer. It means if I get one wrong, I get it all wrong. I've avoided a problem there. There's a side with holes, and I'm taking a guess that the holes need to be on the bottom of the drawer, so that means this goes on this side here. Oh no, I got it wrong! Okay, so I've done it exactly the wrong way round. The holes have got to be on the outside, so that when you look on the inside of the drawer, it's nice and flat. This is exactly, completely the wrong way round. You need one of these to put it into here, and this will grab the screw inside. The screw protrudes there, it's like a screw head. We'll put it in like this, so the arrow's pointing down. You get your screwdriver, just turn it once, and that should grab it and hold it in place. And we're doing that 8 times on the 2 drawers.
We're nearly there, it's so close, but I just wanted to say that I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so thanks for being awesome and clicking that subscribe button. It means that YouTube might actually pay me for this video, and that means that I can build even more things from IKEA for you. So thanks again, and let's see what this bed looks like.
There, yes, finished one of them. There we go. That is so satisfying. I was worried that it had the drawers on both sides and we'd only be able to use one side. There's space for another 2 on the other side. We knew we were going to be up against the wall in this one. The Malm white bed. Thanks so much for sticking with me as I built this in real time here on the IKEA Dad channel. I'll leave you with some beauty shots of the room.